Hey guys, welcome to Tech Master Furhan. Today I will show you how you can use your phone camera as a webcam for your PC without installing any application. So let's start this video. So first of all, go to your phone screen. You have to open Play Store and install DroidCam application. So installing. So after this, you have to go to PC screen. DroidCam client. This is Windows software. You have to install this. Wait until installing. So I go to mobile screen. So now I have to open this application on first mobile. I have to give all the permissions. For this I have to connect both devices by the same Wi-Fi, or I have to connect by USB with laptop. You can see on laptop I have to allow. I have to allow USB again. Now I have to go to home screen. As I open application, the device will be shown. Now I have to click on this device, add device. Okay, I open the app again. Now I have to open this app and click on OK. And now you have to download plugin or website from Play Store. So I am downloading this. Open this application and now you have to click on OK. As you press on OK, the webcam will be started and you will be shown the webcam on your laptop screen. You can use with this now you can see by OBS Studio, Zoom, or any meetings like Microsoft Teams. This webcam is very useful for you. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You can switch the camera here to front or back. This is a plugin. It will provide you high quality webcam. If your computer laptop has a low quality web camera, then this video will be very useful for you. Thanks. Like it. YouTube काम कर रहा है